July Home sent us this electric spin brush for our review, and I'm so excited because I had a different one and I accidentally broke it, so I cannot wait to be using this one. I hate cleaning the shower, and using a spin brush is such a game changer. Instead of being on your hands and knees, you get to use this, and it has all of the power. So really great. Everything just clips in really easy to each other. You have these little knobs, and you can pull them apart here if you want to for storage, but I like to keep mine clipped together because they do also give you this great little hook that just attaches underneath, and then you can hook it onto any kind of bar, and it's really great to let it drip dry as well. So that's fantastic. You also have this piece, I believe it's right here, and it can extend it as well. So you've got a little bit more room, so you can get some of those high top like in the shower or some of those hard to reach places. I also like to do kind of like the tops of my windows with this, so this is really helpful. It does come with 3 different brushes. So you've got your cone brush here, you've got your flat brush, and then you've got your dome brush. We like to use this dome brush on our tires outside because sometimes it's just easier than doing it by hand. Of course, it you don't need to have it plugged in, but you do recharge it. It takes about 3.5 hours to get it fully charged, which is not bad at all. And then you'll get about 90 minutes of use time. And check this out. I've never seen this on another one, but there's a little button here, and then look at that, so you can get into those corners even better, which is really cool. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it on for you, and there's 2 different speeds. Watch this. So that's your first one, and then there we go. There's that second powerful one there. So that's going to get into those corners, that elbow grease, and basically it takes all of the hard work out of cleaning. Honestly, I don't hate cleaning my bathroom anymore because of having one of these. So thank you so much, July Home.